Episode 6, the secret ingredient cooking is coming to you, not from the kitchen, but we're starting in the rhubarb patch here. Going to cut some rhubarb. In case you haven't seen rhubarb, it has these giant leaves. And so we're going to cut one of them. Then we're going to make a really easy recipe. The leaves are poisonous, so you only use the stalks. One other thing. It turns out the secret ingredient's kind of already been pre-added here, as anyone who's a gardener knows. So I won't be adding that in there because it's already in there. Okay, next up we've rinsed the rhubarb. We're going to chop it into about 1-inch pieces. Not a real precise thing. We've now added 3 cups of rhubarb to 1/4 a cup of water and about 1/2 cup of sugar. You may end up going a little heavier on that depending on taste. We're going to let that go about 15 minutes. Oh look, there's a strawberry rhubarb crisp that happened to get made. That's a good recipe. After 15 minutes, it's all kind of mushy. We're going to let this cool down a little bit, then we're going to process it up. A minute or so, the food process this down into a nice smooth mixture. And that's rhubarb sauce for you. It's the easiest thing you can do with rhubarb. Depending on your sweet sour, you may want to go up to 2/3 a cup. This makes a little under 2 cups, this ratio. You can scale it all you want. And it's nice. Remember, we did already, in the act of growing the rhubarb, pre-add the secret ingredient, the love. And so that was already there. But you can always post-add too if you need. Yeah. Good and good for you. Well, I'll see you on that flip burger side.